Nancy. Bisa lihat. Ya. Terima kasih banyak.
Adiknya? Ya, adiknya aja.
Adik.
Gini.
Halo, apa kabar?
Baik, Om.
Om Swastiastu.
Swastiastu.
It's raining in Ubud. It's always raining. In the wet season, every day it rains. You find my motorbike, and you have to sort of deal with it because it rains every day, and it rains for 2 or 3 hours. So I've got this little rig on here, and you know, I thought what better time than when it's raining to take you for a walk down the street. Usually put on my swimmers and yeah, get the dongs on. So that's where I'm staying, down there. Got a bit of breakfast. Restaurant next door. But just going to go up the shops here, but show you what's around the street. I didn't want to be stuck in my room. Cat Cafe Ubud, clothing store over there, restaurant over there, but I've never seen it really busy. But this place, I've already done a vlog on, and it's rocking. This guy, he's just trouble. Sedikit hujan.
Okay, thank you.
So, we just continue in the rain. You've got your little tour guide here, and they tend to come with a little bit of clothing and business. How are you? I'm okay. Just looking, huh? Good luck. And it's next to a restaurant, which is Babia, which has Korean food, strangely enough. And then there's a tattoo store right next door. These guys got a little... Oh, you have a bar and tattoo? Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. So you get them drunk and then you get them tattooed? Yeah. Ah, good idea. Alright, maybe we should see your work at some stage. Creperie. I mean, this is literally just on my corner. There's so many things going on. And I haven't even gone, you know, 25 meters. We got MOULIN right here, which is a cafe. This one here is clothing. This one here is silver jewelry, very expensive, and she seems to sort of barter with the price as she goes. Here another tour guide, and here what, a fixed price store for sure. Oh, hang on, no, it's a salon. So that's a salon for all of your gardening needs on the head. And vintage collection. Hello, how are you? Hi. Got some old funky Balinese stuff, which I love. Look at these. I mean, it's just pissing down. There's a bottle shop there. And RUMAH MAKAN, which means basically room for food. Kedaton is the name. A couple of boys there getting out of the rain, trying to get some food in. Looks like a nice place actually. This is the bottle shop. Bottle shop is kind of cool, and I might go in actually and get myself a bit of something. Over there the Kilian Spa, and over here the Salty Soul. So basically, again, I come back to like anywhere that you're going to stay in Ubud is going to be cool. Like there's always things to see and do and shop and eat. And it's a good time to vlog because there's not a lot of people out, and you can just sort of do your own thing. So yeah, let's just go back to the bottle shop and see if we can get in there with the camera, and I'll give you an idea of the prices. Hujan terus. Bisa kamera foto? Bisa? Hello, how are you?
Fine.
So I might get some wine.
Wine?
Yeah. And here we have the wine. But I'll take you. Let's have a walk through the store first. A can of Coke is going to cost you 80 cents. Water down here is 30 cents. SMIRNOFF Ice 28k. Now wines, when we get into the wines, it's up to about sort of around the $20 mark is the best way to judge it. It's a nice it's, you know, it's a really nice bottle shop. They've also got some nibblies, and the one that I'm tending to go for is this Cape Discovery, which is a local wine, and it's affordable at $18.50. Take a Chardonnay in a Cape Discovery, please.
Cape Discovery.
Chardonnay, yeah.
This one for the chiller and this one.
Yes, I'll take the cool one, please.
One.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, one, sebentar. Satu lagi nanti.
Anything else?
No. So there we go. That's Vineyard Beer, Wine and Spirit.
This one. This for this. Yeah, and this one.
What do you want?
This one and this one.
Oh,
Yes.
oh 214. I thought you said 240.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. See you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
You've got to really watch it underfoot because it's like flooded and shit, and there's lots of you know, lumpy, bumpy, slippery bits. Down here, what do we got down here? Looks like a little restaurant. This looks popular. Obviously sort of a homestay restaurant situation. The Onion Collective. There is no coincidence you are here. No coincidence that I'm leaving because it's pissing down. So I have to leave. Yeah, like making your way along the footpath's not easy. So that's about it. Like all I wanted to say was that it's like this a lot of the time. It's been raining since lunchtime and it's about 5:30, 6 p.m. now. So you're just going to have to, like, look, don't get me wrong, the wet season's great. It's cheaper and there's a lot of people still around, but not too many. The traffic's better, and you know, it's just a bit funky. So I suggest if you've got your kids and you're bringing the whole family, maybe it's not the best time because you'd have to be a little bit more organised, and if you did organise a trip for the day and it's raining when you get there, then perhaps it's not going to be ideal. But I'm back home now, so it's my little jaunt to the bottle-o. You can see. Bisa lihat. Ya. Terima kasih banyak.
Adiknya? Ya, adiknya aja.
Adik.
Gini.
Halo, apa kabar?
Baik, Om.
Om Swastiastu.
Swastiastu.